Just want to show you these cool tripods for satellite dish and TV antenna installations. These ones are a little bit unique because these tripods actually include their own masting. The mast that's included looks like this. This is a dual diameter sized mast. You can see the joint here where the two sizes of pipe meet. This side is 2 inches in diameter, which fits DirecTV dishes as well as these larger Shaw satellite dishes. This is the 75E 37-inch model. And this side of the mast is your standard 1 5/8" masting that fits 30, 33, 36, and 39-inch KU band satellite dishes. Or you can also just not use that and put your own masting in this tripod. A standard 1.5" chain link fence top rail works great for mounting TV antennas, or you can use a 5-foot piece of masting for your antenna, whatever you want. There's 2 collars here, top and the bottom collar. Just slide the post in there. The bottom collar is closed in so that the mast will not slide all the way through, and then there are 3 bolts on each collar that are used to plumb the mast. Something kind of handy if you're looking for a way to mount your satellite dish or TV antenna. I got this one here for 20 bucks from my local Home Hardware. They had it on the shelf there as part of their clearance sale. But you can also buy these tripods at Princess Auto in Canada. I think right now they're like 16 bucks on clearance, which is a really good deal for a tripod. I'll leave a link for that in the description. I don't make any money off of it, but I thought it would be cool to share this with you if you're looking for a tripod for your satellite dish or TV antenna.